it's Miss Alana here, and we are working on today's math practice. It is Tuesday, April the 12th, and are you ready to get started? All right, I'm ready to get started. Make sure you have your work with you. Make sure you have a pencil and an eraser because you might need that. And let's begin. All right, so looking at number 1, the domain of this question is operations in algebraic thinking. And the standard, you can read it right there with me. It says, use addition and subtraction within 100 to solve 1- and 2-step word problems by using drawings and equations with a symbol for the unknown number to represent the problem. Problems include contexts that involve adding to, taking from, putting together, taking apart, part, whole, and comparing with unknowns in all positions. Oh, that was a lot. Now, easy way to say all that, what we said right here. I can add and subtract to solve word problems, okay? So let's look at the question. Read it with, can you see that? Can I see? All right, can I? All right. All right, it says Delon. Hey, Delon. All right, Delon was playing a math game. In the first round, she earned 45 points. In the second round, she earned 29 points. How many more points does she need to reach 100 points? Show all your work. All right, remember, we read it how many times perfect? 2 times perfect. All right, so read that again. Delon was playing a math game. In the first round, she earned 45 points. In the second round, she earned 29 points. How many more points does she need to reach 100 points? Show all your work. All right, so now that we've read it, let's look at the problem and understand what we need to do. So let's find important information. And what's that? So who was playing? Delon was playing a math game, and she earned some points. So in the first round, how many did she earn? She earned 45 points. So I'm just going to do that. She earned 45 points. All right, in the second round, she earned what? She earned 29 points. So what do we need to do first? So this is a 2-step problem. I need to do 2 different things. So the first thing I need to do is add her points together. So what points did she get? 45 plus 29. So I am setting up my problem. Remember, you need to write it which way? Vertically, up and down, just like that, okay? So let's add in the ones place. What's 5 plus 9? 5 plus 9 is 14. Write the 4, put the 1 right there. And then I have 1 plus 4 is 5 plus 2 is 7. All right, 74. 74 what? Points. So she earned 74 points. Are we done? Oh, no, we're not done. There's some more that we have to do. The rest of the question says, how many more points does she need to reach 100 points? There was a key word, a key phrase there that lets you know what we have to do. And what's that key phrase? 100 points. Okay, well, we need 100 points, but that's not the key word. How many more? How many more? All right, I'm going to circle that. How many more? See, how many more points? And when you see the phrase, how many more, you have to do what? Subtract, okay? So we're subtracting from what? From 100. So what number do you write on the top? What number do you write first? The 100 or the 74? The bigger number, the 100, okay? 100 minus 74. Now, this problem can be kind of tricky for you because look at the 100. 100 has 1, 2, 3 digits and 74 only has 2. So you have to make sure the digits are lined up straight, up and down. The 74 can't be like sideways going this way, sideways going that way. Look, make it exactly straight. And we don't put it under the 1 because that's not 700. Remember that 7 is 7 tens. So we put it under the tens place, under the ones place. All right? Now we subtract. What is 0 minus 4? You can't do it. So what does 0 have to do? Borrow from a friend. Hey, 0, can I borrow? The 0's like, I don't have anything. How you gonna borrow? I don't even have anything. We gotta call another friend. Call another friend. Hello, another friend. We're both 0. We don't have anything. Oh no, they're not calling on the phone. All right, they need to borrow from that 1. All right, so the 1 becomes a what? The 1 becomes a 0, and that 0 next to it becomes a 10. See, just like that. And then now the 0 can borrow from that 10. Hey, 10. I see you borrowed some from the 1. Now, can I borrow some from you? 10 is like, sure. So now that 10 becomes a what? A 9. And the 0 becomes a 10. It's kind of crowded. Maybe you should leave more room. So you see, that 10 became a 9, and that 0 became a 10. So now let's subtract. 10 minus 4 is 6. And then what was that? 9 minus 7. What's 9 minus 7? 2. So, and then 0, that's 0. So my answer is what? 26 points, all right? So I'm going to write 26 more points. So Delon needs 26 more points. All right? So as soon as you're done working that out, make sure you show all your work, okay? Show, underline, or circle the important facts, the important information and details, important words and phrases. Make sure you show your first step of the problem, which we added. Show the second step where you subtracted. Write your answer, write your unit, points or more points, and then explain what you did to solve that problem, and you are well on your way to getting all your work done today. So as soon as you're done with that, yes, give yourself a thumbs up and move on to the next problem, and I will see you at the end of it.